Hello, my name is Ryan Gifford here at Subaru of Puyallup. Just wanted to showcase the 2023 Outback Wilderness and some of the key features. First and foremost, it comes with a 2.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder motor. Gives you 260 horsepower and a lot of takeoff speed. A couple things up front here. One of my favorites is this front view 180-degree camera that you can see from the inside for those obstacles, or it helps with the parallel parking too. But if you are off-road, you do get the camera to make sure you're not running over anything. It does have different hook points up front. You do have the decal up here, which looks cool, but it also helps block the sun from your eyes while you're driving. Visibly, you have the cladding out here. Looks really sporty, but it also helps protect the body if you are on those trails. You do have the hexagonal LEDs here, as well as on the headlights you have LEDs as well. Moving to the side, you do have Yokohama Geolandar all-terrain tires all the way around. Gives you a little bit of traction, as well as the 17-inch rims here. You have the badging on the side. Wilderness badging comes with the anodized copper, obviously here on the back, but also up on your anchor points here. It does come with the black on the breakaway mirrors as well. Inside, you do have dimpled StarTec upholstery. It is water resistant. You also do have the power seats here as well to help get you adjusted. Another one of my favorite things about the Wilderness exclusively is you get a higher speed dual range X mode. So you can get up to speed, helps give you traction when you need it, allows for more wheel spin when you're in inclement weather conditions like deep snow, mud, stuff like that. They do incorporate the copper features on the inside here on the steering wheel as well. Exclusive to 2023, one of my favorite things, you do get the wireless Apple CarPlay. Also comes equipped with heated seats, dual climate control, stuff like that. Moving on to the back, you do have heated seats in the back, as well as a USB and a USB-C charging port. This does come equipped with the power lift gate here. It makes it really easy to store stuff. You hit that, you can store your stuff in here. You can fold the rear seats down really easy just by pulling these levers. The seats fold down flat. You have all-weather mats all the way through, so you have the rear cargo tray, the all-weather floor mats that go in the front 2 rows there, and then rear seat back protector. So everything's rubber all the way through. You're not going to scratch up your seats. One of the most important things, and one of my favorite things, is you get a full-size spare tire. It's the same Geolandar that's up on all the rest of the 4 there. So if you are off-road and pop a tire, you're not on a small donut or anything like that while you're out in the trails. You are capable to hold more weight up top. So you can get a rooftop tent up there, that way you're not worried about the top caving in or anything like that. It allows for more weight. You do have anchor points right here, and tow hooks back there as well underneath these these copper anodized tabs there. You can tow up to 3,500 pounds because this has a 2.4 liter turbocharged motor. And last but not least, probably the most important thing I think is the 9.5-inch ground clearance that comes exclusive to these Outbacks. Again, my name is Ryan here at Subaru of Puyallup. Feel free to visit us at subaruofpuyallup.com or 720 River Road and come say hi.